You guys, nice to see you again. In the last video we got this one, right? So in this video I'm gonna go with this icon first. Batch copy. Let me draw a subject first. True multiply true, I think it's fine. Now I want to copy this object in a diagonal direction with the same distance. Select the shape first and press N on the keyboard or click this icon. And now click the subject again and place second one in the space you like to set. Maybe here in this direction, with 2 grids apart. And the following subjects will extend in this direction with 2 grids apart. And now you just click anywhere apart from the second one on the canvas. And the third, the fourth, and the fifth will show up. If you want more, click more. Until you press ESC, the operation will be over. But what if you want 100 shapes? Do you have to click 1 times? You don't have to, actually. Here's the table I want to tell you. Have the same operation on the port face. Select the shape and put the second one to the certain place, and the direction and the space we have set. So right click this icon and we got QTY. If you want to find more, the total amount will be 7, right? So you just put in 5 and press OK. See, 5 will show up, and the total amount will be 7. And in the box, something showing on the right side that I still want to explain. Let me draw a huge rectangle first. So now I'm just gonna put this object on this pattern and press N, put it in a certain place, direction, space has been set, and right click, press OK, same. And now let's move to the icon and right click again, click first one first. Icon codes on left side of the duplicate things will be claimed, but just on the same row, and starts on column of the original object. And if you want to clean the right side, you can do the same operation in this box. And now let's just press ESC to cancel the operation. And next we got matrix copy. And the function of this icon is to spread pattern to a certain place. Draw a pattern as usual. But I want one blue grid on the top right corner. So I'm just gonna add 4 on this corner. And just select subject and press key on the keyboard, or just click this icon and click the object again, and you can spread the pattern right now. And let me get a circle from this pattern. And this pattern circulates horizontally and vertically, just like this pattern, right? And the subject select is the minimum circle, and I hope you can understand it. If I select space, the size is true multiply true, and spread it on this pattern, and the pattern of this object will not change. You can just count how many grids on the rows and columns, like this, true multiply true, so we can get minimum circulation. And find this space and spread again. See, the pattern of subject won't change. Even the minimum subject, it's not like the original one. Let me get it from here and place here, and this one's here. The pattern is different, right? But one thing you have to take here is its position. The position is a key point. So if you just frame true multiply true on any part of the space and spread it, it won't change. But if you select first and place to a new place and spread it, it will change the pattern. Let me just draw a regular object first. You turn off the object with the selecting box. Now click this icon. Which one? This one. Yeah, mirror. Or you just press X on the keyboard and click again, and the symmetric one will show up, and you just have it on the place you want. Right click this icon. If you cancel mark on this checkbox and press OK, click, the shape will turn around on the selecting box. right click, let's return to this box, and they're actually pairs. The first one goes with the second one, the third one goes with the fourth, and fifth goes with 6. The codes you selected on the selecting box has one of these numbers. Let me just draw 21 on it and fill it. Now we got 21 on the selecting box, and press X, right click, and we have to take on this checkbox, right? Press OK and mirror it. The number has changed to 31. The corresponding number of the pairs will show up if you use this function. And let's go back. They actually have margins on there, and you can type in the number you like to set. And let me just take this first and press OK. Move to the next one. Mirror copy and mirror O, they're all the same, so you just try it by yourself. And next we got fill. The function is to repaint the space of the object with new color. And drawing the space with number 3. And let's just switch to another current color. Choose by. And press F on the keyboard, or just click this icon, and we're ready. And click the space you like to fill, and the color will be changed. Then you just cut it off with new color. And fill this part well, but the part that has been cut off will not. But if you want to fill 2 parts at the same time, and there's actually a way to do it. Let me just return last step and right click on this icon, cancel tick on this box and press OK. Zoom out and switch to another color and fill it. You guys can see it. The color of 2 parts has changed. Let's just return to the this box and click it. Alright. And by color, if you don't take this checkbox, press OK and click it, and it will fill the whole canvas. So return. Let's just have it take on this box, and we have third box is called fill color 0. If you remove it, press OK. The fill function won't work on this canvas because the canvas is made by number 0, right? So now the current color is number 10, and I'm just gonna fill it. See, the click won't work because we cancel the mark. So click it and press OK, and right click, enable border color. I forgot to use it, so I will explain when I ring the bell. Let's just turn to the next one. And let me just draw a rectangle first. 4 multiply 4 with 1, 2, 3, 4 codes on the corner, and draw a huge rectangle. Select this pattern and right click. And by the way, the grid, your cursor space is the base point, and right now right click and click copy and click. The virtual pattern will show up, and you can move it anywhere, but I'm just gonna fill this pattern in this box. So let me just have it click inside the rectangle. Click. It won't work. Oh yeah, it works. Now press ESC, cancel the operation. Now right click on this icon. I prefer to use the mouse point and the other things. Try by yourself. Color connect area, and fill color is just like the fill icon, right? And display copy area. Do you remember the virtual things that show up right here? If you cancel this tick on the checkbox, press OK, and the virtual thing will not show up. Actually, it's kind of useful because it will help you to set the base point. So I prefer to have a tick on this checkbox. Now it shows up again. Press ESC, cancel the operation. And next we got replace color. Let me just let a huge space first. Zoom out. Find this one. This big is fine. And press Q on keyboard, or just click on this icon, right? And click on the selection box. Right here we got a new box, and it shows all the codes on the selection box. And here we got total amount of codes you select. You just click one of the codes and put the number you want to change, 24, and press OK. right here, all the codes in the selection box of that color will be changed to 24. Now let's go back to this box again. And let me just draw two objects with two colors. 5 and select them. Q and swap. Right here we still have three colors because the number 0 has been taken into account. So let me just count this one first. And right now, two colors left. So now I'm just gonna swap it. See, two colors are swapped, right? And guys, I have a assignment for you to practice. Right here, we got 4 patterns right here, and with the words, below it, the instruction. So I'm just gonna upload this file to the internet. The icon's here. Upload file. Click. Upload the file. Confirm. Upload successfully. Field number is right here. Please remember this one. 2023012813. And now you can download this field from the internet. Use this icon. Download file. Click and just put in number I want you to remember. 2023012813. When you download this video, just practice it, alright? Guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. If you want to be agent for selling fly knitting machine or just want to purchase machines for design things, just find me in WhatsApp. And I'll see you in next video. Peace out, guys.